Good morning, welcome back. Thank you for joining us. If you haven't subscribed, please go and do so. And then at the end of the video, please like, share and comment. Okay, today we're doing another hike. We are at Ben Hook Conservancy, but we are not sure yet which trail we're doing. It seems like we are on the mountain biking trails, but we're gonna find the hiking trails and then we will update you later which hike we're doing. And today we have a guest as well. We have Natasha.
Hello.
So yeah, we'll be rolling with Natasha and Nick. Okay, let's go.
10 kilometers.
Okay.
Which one?
The circular route. Is it?
10. That's not bad. Which one are you doing?
Devil's Cliff.
Okay.
Is that
Have you done it before?
is that
Yeah.
the viewpoint?
Is it difficult?
Yeah, you guys look fit.
Looks are deceiving.
I bet you guys saw on Instagram, you say, I gotta get that photo.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to get to the waterfall. Oh.
The waterfall is on the other side.
Stick along the river, don't go up.
Okay.
Stick along the river and you get into then you see this, you won't miss it, it's like a rock garden. And behind you'll be Devil's Tooth where you can get all the nice photos.
Okay, awesome.
Let's
Do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Nick is not done. Nick wants to.
Oh, Nick is not done. Just take a picture.
9 hours.
9 hours.
To the waterfall, and we come back down this way.
We're just following you, Nick. Let's go.
Okay. Because this way, the map on my phone says it's advanced to go from here to there.
It's nothing. Trust me, that's a nothing part.
Is it?
It's like a road.
Okay.
It's pretty easier.
Yeah.
Let's go, Nick. If we can always turn back. If we can.
But yeah, our destination is here and there. Oh, hi, I'm Nick. This morning we're going to Dragoon Peak and then we're going to take a detour to the waterfall and cave. And we're going to come back around a different route to the starting point. Should be 10.7 kilometers and intermediate.
put on our jerseys because we had taken them off while climbing the previous hill. It was very steep and we were so tired and we were feeling hot. But the winds were so strong, like they would throw us off the cliff because we were climbing here as well. So we even thought of taking out Nick's rope that we were making fun of earlier, because Nick has a lot of things in his bag that were like, what is this for, what is this for? But we ended up using the rope. So we all held onto the rope just to help balance each other and to secure ourselves from the wind. So yeah, we were glad we had that rope. It worked, it helped us for a bit, and then as we continued on, it was not so windy anymore, so we could just climb without the rope. I think this is one of my most difficult hikes. It's difficult. For me, it's not moderate. It's steep, yes. And I don't even want to think about going down, because going down is always better than going up. So for now, let's just go to the viewpoint. And yeah, we'll see when we come down how it is.
Okay.
Let's go.
Pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun.
Yay! We made it! Yo guys, it was a long hike.
Dragoon Peak.
Dragoon Peak.
Sure, what a name.
First bucket.
Shot.
That's the most difficult one for me. Cause it's steep, it goes around and around. But we're here. It's almost 6K, 5.93. And this is our first stop, but it's absolutely beautiful. We've got views like 360 views.
Very high, eh?
It is. It's high. It's scary if you go to the edges, but it's so beautiful. It's tiring, but it was worth it.
I'm not tired.
Here. You're not tired?
Not at all.
Now I'm thinking of going down because it's going to be more hectic. But for now, we're just gonna rest, have our snacks, have some water, get some energy, and then we're off to the waterfall.
Which ones are those?
Not Provito. Those ones look healthier. No, just put them in. Just bring them.
I was wondering.
There's no wind, nothing at all.
That's good, eh?
But just now it's gonna be wind, baby. Why did you leave the camera there?
Can I fly the drone?
No.
No, I'm thinking us.
No, but you can't fly the drone. Because when it comes, it just comes.
It's gone.
No, it's not gone.
When it comes, I'll immediately stop.
Can someone please tell Fernando to fly the drone?
It's unpredictable.
Okay, let's time it now. It's
We cannot have it.
11:40.
We can do the hike again when it's not windy.
On a
And
day where
then-
it's not windy.
Then forget it.
Yes, I agreed. I agreed that.
Okay, it's been 2 minutes.
What are you trying? It doesn't mean that
How frequently it comes?
it's not like that. It just comes. I love mayo.
White gold.
I'm just what?
White gold.
White gold.
What, mayo?
I eat it too much. I eat it with almost everything. So sometimes I'm like, okay, let me not.
Yeah, even when she's having something like cabbage.
Yeah, it's
put
nice with
mayonnaise.
cabbage. With
Ah.
cabbage and pap.
I honestly
And
don't
acha.
understand.
What combo is right?
Yeah, we tried that. It's healthy snacks. And a bit of potato. Oh. Thanks. Let me go show the camera what I'm having. So here I'm having some, what a basket. I think it's sesame seeds. Yeah, seeded basket. Let's call it that. No wheat. With cheese on top, like that. But I'm gonna cut my cheese in half because it's too big, and that's what I'm having. Voila.
For the waterfall and the cave. This was supposed to be the cave. We don't know what's up there. It's like a dead end, but not really. Like we are at the cave. We are at the cave. We found the cave. We can hear the waterfall around somewhere, but we don't know how to get there. But yeah, this is the Cathedral Cave. It's so nice here, so we're gonna chill for a bit.
We're gonna boil some water and then we're gonna make some tea.
We're gonna have tea in the cave.
That is so cool.
That should be enough for 4 cups. Now we wait for it to boil. It should take about 10 minutes.
We're gonna have some tea. Nick is making us some tea there. So we're waiting for the water to boil. We're gonna have rooibos. We're gonna have others are gonna have coffee. Yeah, we've placed our orders to Nick, and yeah, we're just waiting. Hopefully, we will still get to the waterfall. But
Yeah,
even
the water is just about to boil. There we go. Cave life. Beautiful.
yeah, if we don't find the waterfall, it's still okay. Cause yeah, this was a great hike, but it's intense. I am never coming back here. Nick and Panero, I think even Natasha said they can come back, but for me, it's one of those bucket list hikes. I've done it and I'm good.
But we did probably 2 hikes. We did the peak
Yes.
and now we're doing the cave, and we took a dodgy path between the two. So that's what made it long. Normally, I think what people would just either do the peak and then turn around, or they come to the waterfall and then turn around.
Exactly.
So we're trying to be extra
Yeah, but
by doing both in one day.
I'll be very happy if we continue searching for the waterfall.
We don't have time. It's almost 2 o'clock
Oh,
now.
it's almost like
And yeah,
still
we'll
have
see.
like 4 more hours
We'll see. We'll see.
before
but
sunset.
Even if we don't get there, I won't complain. But let's have tea first, and then we'll see how we feel after having our tea.
Okay. Some fresh Jacobs.
I know that thing as well. Having some tea.
I'm having coffee.
Having tea. Tea in the cave. I call it that.
So cool.
And it seems like we found the waterfall. It's just around the cave. We're gonna go there after our tea.
Not having tea, I'm having coffee.
After our break.
Yes.
We're not gonna put this on.
Why not?
I can't make it with the stick.
Huh?
I can't do it.
Oh,
If not,
Go.
if you can do it, you can go.
I said I can't do it with the stick. He was
Oh.
adding it.
Yeah.
I was like, I need my hands for this.
Please don't fall.
That's a sexy
wait.
lady.
Must hold on tight, eh?
I don't have upper body strength, so.
Must hold on tight. Yeah, easy, ne? The easiest part of the hike.
The dangerous spot. Need to focus.